You know that quiet moment when the world finally slows down, when you wash away the day, the stress, the city air, the endless scrolling, and it's just you and your skin. That's where this ritual begins. Because while you rest, your skin doesn't. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., something magical happens. Your skin begins to heal itself, cells renew faster, collagen rebuilds, and your natural glow starts its comeback. But here's the secret. Most people miss. Nighttime is when your skin is most open, up to 60% more permeable. That means the right ingredients can finally reach deeper. And turmeric, the golden root, knows exactly what to do there. Curcumin, turmeric's active compound, works like a guardian. It calms irritation that's built up through the day. It neutralizes the free radicals left behind by sunlight and screens. And it helps your skin rest. So you wake up radiant, not dull or tired. Your nighttime ritual doesn't need to be complicated, just intentional. Cleanse gently, twice if you wore makeup. While your skin is still damp, press in your turmeric serum. Feel it absorb like dew. Follow with a soft turmeric-infused cream to seal in hydration. And yes, your pillowcase matters. Choose silk, not cotton. Your skin will thank you. Within days, you'll notice calm. Within weeks, a glow that feels alive. And over time, your skin won't just look better, it will be stronger, more resilient, more confident. Because when you care for your skin with patience and purpose, it remembers. So tonight, as you wind down, remember, the glow doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing what matters, slowly, intentionally, and naturally. Let turmeric work while you dream, and wake up to skin that reflects how you feel inside, renewed, peaceful, and golden. Because true beauty doesn't start in the morning, it begins the night before. Want more stories that connect skin, nature, and self-care? Hit subscribe, and let's keep glowing together.